So I am going to next problem. That one is find the value of root 2 by long division method. This is most important. Here I have to find out the value of root 2. Root 2. Already told that in yesterday. What about the value of root 2 is equal to 1.414 that I have to take. Here root 2 becomes 1.414. How to find out this value? Here by using the long division method. Long division method. We will observe in this one. This is most important. Here first I have to take 2. After I have to take 0, 0, 0, 0. Again 0, 0. Again we have to take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I have to take. How to find out the value of root 2 by using long division method? Here first I have to take the value, it becomes 1. Observe. If we have to take any number, we have to multiply that number only. అంటే ఏంటంటే దాని మీనింగ్ ఇక్కడ 1 తీసుకుంటే దాన్ని కంపల్సరీగా 1 తోనే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ 2 తీసుకుంటే దాన్ని 2 తోనే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ 1 తీసుకున్నా 1 1 ja 1. Here the remaining value is 1. After that remaining is 2 zeros. So I have to take the quotient is 1 point remaining I have to take. So we will observe in this one 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Once again I will explain this one. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. That we have to take. If we have to take any number, that we have to multiply that number only. Here I have to take 21. 21 can number of times can multiply this one. 22 is also scope. We have to take the number 22. 22 into 4. That also here. Here we have to take 2. Okay. These can multiply by 2 only. Here the place value we have to take the number 2. Then it can multiply only 2. Here. You observe in this one. Then first I have to take after 2 we have to take 1. This entire one can multiply by only 1. Here the place we have to take anything that we have to multiply that number only. 21 becomes 21. There is more number. That more number is 100. After we have to take 2. Here we have to take 2. 22. Here we have to take the value 22 means here the last digit is 2 means that we have multiplied by only 2. That becomes 22 into 24. That becomes 44. We have to take 44. This given number is 100. It is more than so many digits. We have to take this given number is 3. We have to take 23. Here the digit is 3 means when entire number can multiply by 3. That means 3 3 is 9, 3 2 6. That is the given value is 69. Okay, I will check it for 24 into 4. 4 4 16. 4 2 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 96. 25. Here we have to take the units digit must be take 5. Here it is multiplied by 5. 25 into 5, 125. Here the given value is only 100. Does not take 125. It satisfies for only 4. That I have to take 4. Here the given place is I have to take 4. Here the units place become 4 means it can multiply by only 4. That I have to take in this place. For remaining value is 96. We'll observe 100 minus 96 becomes the value is 4. After we have to take the remaining two digits, that is two zeros. That is, two steps will be completed. Now I am going to third step. We'll observe in this one. Actually, this number is 24. Here becomes value is 4. We have to add both them. 24 plus 4 becomes 28. 28. Here we have to take any number that we have multiplied that number only. If we will take the number is 1, then entire this number can multiply by 1. That is 281 into 1 becomes 281. We will take this place by 2. 282 into 2 that becomes 500 something. This given value is only 400. Why? Because of it can multiply by only 1. If the unit place we have to take 1, it can be multiplied by only 1. That we have to take in this place. That means the number is 281. Here we will observe these two zeros, two zeros, two zeros, two zeros, two zeros, two zeros. We will observe in this one. First two zeros will be completed. After that, second two zeros also completed. We will observe in this one. Here, 10 minus 1 becomes 9. After that, if the given value is 9, 9 minus 8 that becomes 1. Here given value is 3. 3 minus 2 becomes 1. After we have to take remaining two zeros. Here third step will be completed. Now I am going to fourth step, that is 281. Here one number there. 281 plus 1 becomes 282. We have to take 282. Here we will observe. Here the units place we have to take 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or once again we have to check it. Here we will observe. Here we have to take some value in this units place. Here we will observe 2821. Here the units place will take 1. It can be multiplied for only 1. That means 2821 into 1 is equal to 2821. This is not satisfied. I will take the number 2. I will take the number 2 means, you'll observe. This entire number can multiply by only 2. That is 2 2's 4. Again 2 2's 4. 2 8's 16. Again 2 2's 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. That is the given number is 5644. This is also not satisfied. Why? Because of here the number is largest number. The number is 11,900. I will take the units place becomes 3. The units place becomes 3. Entire number can multiply by 3 also. Once again, we have to check it in this one. 3 3 is 9. 3 2 6. 3 8 is 24. Again, we have to take 3 2 6. 6 plus 2 becomes 8. The value is 8 4 6 9. I will take next number. Units place becomes 4. The entire number also can multiply by 4. We will check it this one. Units place will take 4. Then entire number also can multiply by 4. 4 4 16. Again we have to take 4 2's 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. And also I have to take 4 8's 32. And also 4 2's 8. 8 plus 3 becomes 11. This is satisfied. 11,296 can be subtracted by 11,900. That means units place will take the value is 4. Units place will take the value is 4. If units place will take the value is 4 means it can be multiplied by 4 also. Then the given number is 11,296. Then fourth step also will completed. After the remaining one, we will observe in this one. 10 minus 6 becomes 4. After that, 9 minus 9 becomes 0. After that, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 becomes 6. You will observe that two zeros will be completed. After two zeros will be completed. After two zeros will be completed, I will take next to two zeros. I will take next to two zeros. This is 1, 2. You will observe. This is two zeros. After that, these two zeros. After that, these are two zeros. After that, these will take the two zeros. That is 60400. Then remaining two zeros there will take after 10 and have to take the two zeros. You will observe in this one here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps will be completed. Now I am going to fifth step. Here 2824, then the number is 4, that will take 2824 plus 4 becomes 2828. If I have to take some number, will satisfy this one. That means I will take 2828 units plus becomes 1. The entire equation can multiply 1. Then the given value is 28281. Here the number is very biggest. Then this can multiply by 2. Here 2 2s 4, 2 8s 16, 2 2s 4 plus 1 becomes 5, 2 8s 16, 2 2s 4 plus 1 becomes 5. That is 5000. 5000. Here we have to take 1414. 141 after that is 4. We'll observe. Then entire equation can multiply by 2. This value is by 6, by 6 4. After that, the units place will take 3. Units place will take 3. That means 28283 into 3. Units place will take 3. Then entire equation can multiply by 3. That means 3 3 is 9, 3 8 24. After that, 3 2 6 plus 2 8. Again 3 8 24. 3 2 6. 6 plus 2 becomes 8. This is does not satisfy. We will take only 2. These units place will take 2 means. These units place will take 2 means. Then entire equation can multiply by 2. Entire equation can multiply by 2 means we will place. Then also have to take the value is 2. That is the given value is 5, 6, 5, 6, 4. Next step also will completed. After that, 10 minus 4 becomes 6. After that, 9 minus 6 becomes 3. And the given value is only 3. We will take 1. We will take 1 means the given value is 13. 13 minus 5 becomes the given value is 8. 8. And the given value is 9. 9 minus 6 becomes 3. That is the given value is 3836. After I have to take the remaining two zeros. After we will take the remaining two zeros. Last one step will be there. We'll observe. Here, the given number can be added these two. That I have to take 2, 8, 2, 8. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Here, we have to take the units place value. Here 28284, I will take the units plus become 1. This entire equation can multiply by 1. Why? Because of It can be multiplied by 2 means these both equations the value is 4. This the given value is only 3. That means the given number can multiply by only 1. Only 1 means that the given value is 2, 8, 2, 8, 4, 1. That will take. Will observe. 10 minus 1 becomes 9. 9 minus 4 becomes 5. And the value is only 5. 5 means 1 there. That means 15 minus 8 becomes 7. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. 8 minus 8 also becomes 0. 3 minus 2, 1. That means the value is 100,759 we have to take. After we have to take, finally the double zeros we have to take. This is the last step of given problem. You'll observe. This we have to take 2, 8, 2, 8, 4, 1. This will be added by this one. 2, 8, 2, 8, 4, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 8, 4, 2. We'll take the units place value something. Something will take the units place value. Here, we'll observe what I have to take in this one. 1 does not satisfy. I will take 3. 2, 8, 2, 8, 4, 2. Units place will take 3. This entire can multiply by 3. That is what we have to find out the value. 3 3 is 9. 3 2 6. 3 4 is 12. 3 8 is 24 plus 1 becomes 25. 3 2 6. 6 plus 2 becomes 8. 3 8 is 24. 3 2 6. 6 plus 2 becomes 8. Can multiply it by 4, it is more than 10,000. More than, sir, more than 1 lakh. This is the given value is something. So, sir, this is 8 crores, more than 10 crores. That means, given units place will take the value is 3. Entire can multiply it by 3. That means the given value will take 8, 4, 8, 5, 2, 6, 9. Observe in this one. 10 minus 9 becomes 1. After that, 9 minus 6 becomes 3. After that, 8 minus 2 becomes 6. 5 minus 5 becomes 0. After that, this value 17. 17 minus 8 becomes 9. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 becomes 9. And also we'll take 9 minus 4 becomes 5. 9 minus 8 becomes 1. Hence, the step will be complete. We will observe in this one. This is most important. We have to find out the value of root. Here, that means root 2 is equal to finally what about the value means? Here, 4, 1. Here we will observe 1. After that 4. After that 1. After that 4. After that 2. After that we'll take 1. After that we'll take 3. And so on. This is still not ended. This one. That is root 2 is equal to 1.414213 and so on. This is the value of a root 2 by using long division method. This is most important. Here, first we will observe in this one. If we have to take the number 1, it can be multiplied only 1. If we have to take the number 2, it can multiply only 2. If you have to take the number 3, it can multiply by only 3. If the given number is 2. we will take the number 2. This can multiplied by 2. 2 2s becomes 4. 2 can does not subtracted by 4. That I will take only 1. After that, the next step is 1 plus 1 becomes 4. The remainder 100 until till this process will be as well as. Now I am going to next problem. I will explain same as well as problem in this one. Find the value of root 3. Find the value of root 3 up to 6 decimals. Up to 6 decimals. Up to 6 decimals. We have to find out in this one. Here we will observe in this one. First we have to take 3.0 0 0 0 0 0 0. We'll take 6 decimals. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We'll observe. Find the value of root 3 up to 6 decimals. First we will take, here we will take 1, it can multiply by only 1. Here we will take 2, it can multiply by 2. Here we have to take 1, then entire 1 can multiply by 1. 1 1 ja 1. ఇదే తీసుకోవాలనే రూల్ లేదు మేడం. If you have to take 2, if you have to take the number 2, it can multiply by only 2, that becomes 2 to 4. 3 does not subtracted by 4 means 2 does not take in this one. I will take only 1. I will take only 1. Nothing becomes here. I have to take 1 point. Here we will observe in this one. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. The remaining is 2 zeros in there. After that, the second step is 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Here we have to take something in this units place value. Here we will take the value is 1. Here we will take the number is 1. It can multiply by only 1. 21 into 1 does not satisfy the given number 200. I will take 2. This is also 44 only. I will take 3. This is 66 only. I will take 5. 25 into 5. This is for only 125 only. I will take 7. 27 into 7. 7 7 is 49, as well as 7 to 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 8. I will take 8. 28 into 8. 8 8 is 16. 64. 8 to 16. 16 plus 4 becomes 22. This is does not satisfy. Will satisfy for only 27 into 7. If we have to take the units place, we will take 7. Then entire equation can multiply by only 7. 7 7 is 49. 7 2 is 14 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, that means this the units place must have to take 4. Then given equation can multiply by 4. Here 2 zeros will take. That means that the value is 189. That means here we have to take 1 point, 4 will take 4 will take. After that, so I'm sorry, it will take 7. This is not 4. 27 into 7. So extremely sorry, this value becomes 7. You'll observe in this one, 27 into 7 becomes 189. After that, you'll observe in this one, 10 minus 9 becomes 1. And also 9 minus 8 becomes 1. Actually 1 minus 1 will become 0. After we'll take 2 zeros. And the given value is 2 zeros. 2 zeros will take. We'll observe next step. 27 plus 7. 27 plus 7 becomes 34. We will take the units place value. What will take the units place value means I will take 1. 1 means that is 341 into 1 becomes 341. I will take 2. 2 twos 4, 2 fours 8, 2 3 6. Okay, this is also not satisfied. I will take 3. 343 into 3. 3 threes 9. 3 fours 12. 3 threes 9. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. Can multiply by 4 more than 1100. Does not satisfy. I will take the units place becomes 3. The entire equation can multiply by 3. Entire equation can multiply by 3. Then the given number is 1029. 1029. 10 minus 9 becomes 1. After that, 9 minus 2 becomes 7. As well as 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. I will take next to 2 zeros. I will take next to 2 zeros. We will observe. Now I am going to next step. 343 plus 3 becomes 346. 346. We will take something in units place. The value is 173. We will write a 3 value. After that, here we'll take 1. 3 4 6 1 into 1 becomes 3 4 6 1 only. I will take in this place 2. 2 twos 4. 2 6 12. 2 fours 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 2 3 6. When it is satisfies, I will take 2 in this place. 3 4 6 2. Then entire equation can multiply by 2. Then the given value is 6 9 2 4. 6 9 2 4. You will observe in this one. 10 minus 4 becomes 6. After that, 9 minus 2 becomes 7. As well as here 0. 10. 10 minus 9 becomes 1. That is the value is 176. After we will take the remaining 2 zeros. We will write in the 2. Now I am going to next step. 3 4 6 2 plus 2 becomes 3 4 6 4. We will take the units place in some value. You will observe. 3 4 6 4 1. Okay, units place will take 1. Entire equation can multiply by 1 and does not satisfy. We will take 2. This is also not satisfied. We will take 4. We will observe in this one. We have to check it. 4 4 16. Again 4 4 16 plus 1 becomes 17. 4 6 24. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. Again 4 4 16. 16 plus 2 becomes 18. After that, 3 fourths, 3 fourths 12, 12 plus 1 becomes 13. That is 138, 576. Then this is also does not satisfy. This is 34640. 34640. 34640. This value is 17600. We'll observe in this one. Once again, we will observe in this one. This value is 17,600 only. This value is 34,640. Why? Because of this is less than this number means I will take 0. I will take 0 means then entire equation can multiply by 0. Number is 17600. After we'll take remaining 2 zeros are also here. 2 remaining zeros also will take. We'll observe in this one. 34640 plus 0 becomes 34640. We will take the units place. We will take the units place. Here we have to write the value 0. Here we have to take 34640 will become 1. 34640 will become the units place will become 1. This entire equation can multiply by 1. That is the given value is 34640. This is more than 34640. I will take the value 5. 5 I have to take. 5 is 25. And also 5 into 0 becomes 0. Then the given number is 2. After that 5 fours 20. 5 fours 20. 5 6 30. 30 plus 2 becomes 32. After that 5 fours 20. 20 plus 3 becomes 23. As well as 5 3s 15. 15 plus 2 becomes 70. That is, this value is 1760000. This value is 1732025. When satisfies this value, I will write this one 1732025. This unit place will take the value is 5. Then entire equation can multiply by 5. Here also we will write the value is 5. That means have to subtract this one. 10 minus 5 becomes 5. After that 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 becomes 7. And also 9 minus 0 becomes 9. After that 9 minus 2 becomes 7. 5 minus 3 becomes 2. That is the given value is 27975. After we'll take 2 zeros will take. Observe by the problem root 3 up to 6 decimals we have to find out. Here we have to find out 1 2 3 4 5. One more we have to find out, hence the problem will be completed. I will take the remaining 2 zeros. Here we will observe in this one. Here the given value is 34640. We'll add this 5. 0 5 plus 5 will become 10. But I have to written as 3 4 6 4 10. Will become the units place will take. Will become the units place will take. Units place will become this value. I will take this given value is 3 4 6 4 1 0. I will take 0. We have to write this one 2 7 9 7 5 0 0. This is value is very low. Comparing to this number means we will take the units place will become 0. Units place will become 0. Units place will become 0 means this entire equation can multiply by 0. Thus the given value is 0, 0, 0, 0. We have to subtract that one. Then remaining term is 2797,500. Hence the problem will not completed means I will take remaining two zeros also. That means we will take the remaining two zeros. We will observe 3464,100 plus 0 become 3464,100. After we'll take the units place. After we'll take the units place something. I will take 3464,100. 1 into 1 becomes that one only. That means here we have to take the units place. I will take the number is 8. We have to check it in this one. 8 8 is 64. After that, 8 into 0 becomes 0. I will take this 6. And also 8 into 0 becomes 0. 8 into 1 becomes 8. 8 4 32. And also 8 6 48. 48 plus 3 becomes 51. 4 8 32. 32 plus 5 is equal to 37. After that, 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. I will take 27 712864. Here the third digit is 9. It is less than the value. This given one can multiply by 8. That by how to take the value is 8. By how to write 27712864. How to subtract it in this one? 6. 9 minus 6 becomes 0. Then 9 minus 0 becomes 9. 9 minus 8 becomes 1. After that, this is 4. 4 minus 2 becomes 2. 6, 7 minus 1 becomes 6. 9 minus 7 becomes 2. Until process, the given value will take. Here the value is 5. After that is 0. After that will take the 8. That means that is the value of root 3 is equal to 1.7320508 and so on. That is the value of root 3 by using a long division method. This is until the process of given one. Now I am going to next problem. We have to write in this note any two rational numbers, any two rational numbers between A and B is A and B is what is the formula is A plus B by 2. Find five rational numbers between 3 and 4. Already I will told in yesterday class this type of problems. We have to given any two numbers. We have to find out the middle of these two rational numbers by using the formula is A plus B by 2. Already told in yesterday class. This is for only rational numbers will take. After that, any two irrational numbers, any two irrational numbers between A and B That is defined in the formula is root of a. These two formulas are most important, useful in this chapter. Any two rational numbers between a and b is a plus b by 2 that I will take, and also any two irrational numbers between a and b is root of ab that I will take. This is the formula for rational numbers. This is the formula for irrational numbers. We will ask in this type of problems, given numbers, we will check it. Given numbers are rational numbers means we will use this formula. By the problem, given numbers are rational or irrational, we have to check it. Then the given numbers are irrational numbers if by using the formula is root of m. This is most important formula. Rational number. Any two rational numbers between a and b means that we have to take the formula a plus b by 2. Otherwise, we have to take any two irrational numbers between a and b means that we have to take root of ab. That's all. Now I am going to the next problem. We'll observe. What is asked in this problem? Find any two irrational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. First, I have to take two fractions. The first one is 1 by 5 will take. After that is 2 by 7. 5 can subtracted by 1, that means 0 point will take. Here we have to take 0. By 2 is 10, that becomes 0. That means 1 by 5 that we have to take 0.20 will take. And also I have to take 7 can divisible by 2 will take 0 point. Here we have to take 0. 7 2 is 14. Then remainder is 6. Again we have to take 0. 7 8 is 56. The remaining term is 4. Will take 0. 7 5 is 35. Then remaining is 5. After will take 0. Again we have to take 7 7 is 49. Then remaining one is 1. After we'll take 0. 7 1 is 7. Then remaining term is 3. Again we have to take 0. Next 7 fours 28. Then become 2. That means I will take 0. Again 7 2 is 14. Then remaining 6. We will take 0. Again we have to write 7 8 is 56. Then remaining is 4. After we have to take 0. 7 5 is 35. Then remaining is 5. After we take 0. 7 7 is 49. Then remaining is 1. We will observe in this one. Here the term is 20 and 14. Here also the given term is 20 and 14. These two terms when repeated, and also 60 and 56 also will repeated, and also 40 and 35 will also repeated, and also 50 and 49 will also repeated until in this passage 10 7 and also 30 28 will also repeated. Here 20 14 will become the value is 2. Then the given value is will take the bar. Then given number is until this is repeated. Now I have to take 0.28 by 7 1 bar. There is no end of this one. That means find any two irrational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7 will take. That means yeah, the two irrational numbers will take. That means the two irrational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7 are, that is 0.2012, 011, 2012, comma, will take after 20 will take any one of them, and also 0.20 after I have to take 24120057 will take how many places will take. This is bar means when repeated. When repeated means there are so many infinitely irrational numbers will occur. Infinitely irrational number will occur means we have to write any two irrational number that between 0.20 and also 0.28 we have to take. We have to write these two irrational numbers. When the given fraction will become odd, there means it has infinitely many solutions. When it has infinitely many solutions means by the problem you will have to write only two irrational numbers I have to find out. That means here I have to write only two irrational number means here one number is 0.20, after the number will take 0.28. We have to write 0.20 and 0.28. We will write the middle of each of them we will write. This is asking in this given problem. Now I am going to next problem. Find an irrational number between 3 and 4. If I have to find out irrational number between 3 and 4 means 3 and 4 means I have to write the formula root of AB we have to write, that is the given formula. Let A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Any two irrational numbers between A and B is that is the formula is root of AB will take, that is the formula root of AB will take, that means root of 3 into 4, that means root 12 that we have to take, 2 root 3 we have to write. Observe, previous problem we have to solve differently. Why? Because of here any two irrational numbers between A and B, that is the given formula is root of AB, where A and B must be rational numbers. Here A and B must be rational numbers means by using the formula root of AB. Otherwise, does not find out. I have to write in previous type of problem. Already I will told that. Okay, if two irrational numbers between A and B, that is the formula is root of AB means where A and B must be a rational number. Where A and B must be a rational number means that I have to take the formula root of AB. I will write this one. This is most important. I am going to next problem. Examine whether the following numbers are rational or are irrational. And the first one is 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. And the second one is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. And the third one is 10 by 2 root 5. Fourth one is root 2 plus 2 whole square. Here, examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. I will take the first problem. What is the first problem? Means 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. This we have to written as 3 plus root 3. After that, plus into plus becomes plus. After that, plus into minus becomes minus. Here, minus root 3 and plus root 3 will be cancelled. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 that I have to written as 6 by 1, where 1 does not is equal to 0. It is of the form a by q, and also q does not is equal to 0. That is 3 plus root 3. It is a rational number. It is a rational number. Well, observe, it is a rational number means when it is of the form p by q, and also q does not is equal to 0. Now I am going to second one, that is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. You will observe, students, when it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, we know that the identity that we have to written as a square minus b square. We have to write where a becomes 3, b becomes root 3. Let a is equal to 3, b becomes root 3. That I have to written as a square minus root 3 whole square. Square and root will be cancelled. 9 minus 3 becomes 6. Already 6 that I have to written as 6 by 1. 6 by 1 where 1 does not equal to 0. When it is of the form, that is, it is also rational number. It is a rational number. It is a rational number. So I am going to next one. That one is third one. 10 by 2 root 5. You'll observe 2 ones, 2 5s, then remaining is 5 by root 5. After we have to written as root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 5 and root 5 will be cancelled. That is, the remaining is root 5. Already we know that the square root of a, prime number is always irrational number. The square root of a prime number is always irrational number. Already told this information yesterday class. That means root 5 is a irrational number. Root 5 is a irrational number. Now I am going to fourth one. What is asked in fourth one? Will observe root 2 plus 2 whole square. When it is of the form a plus b whole square, that I have to written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 2. That I have to written as root 2 whole square plus 2 square plus 2 into root 2 into 2. Here square and root will be cancelled. Here 2 square becomes 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 2 2 is 4. 4 into root 2 is equal to 4 root 2. 4 into root 2. Root 2 is a irrational number. The multiplication of irrational number that becomes are also irrational number. The sum of rational number plus the sum of rational number and the irrational number is also must be a irrational number. That means it is a irrational number. That is, it is a irrational number. That is this problem. Okay, students, see you next class.